Surrealism, dreams beyond reality. Surrealism, born in the early 20th century, is an artistic and literary movement that sought to transcend reality by delving into the unconscious mind. Inspired by Sigmund Freud's theories of dreams and psychoanalysis, surrealists explored the realms of imagination, emotion, and hidden desires. The movement rejected rationality and embraced the bizarre, creating works that blur the line between dreams and reality. Prominent artists like Salvador Dali, with his melting clocks in the persistence of memory, and René Magritte, known for his enigmatic painting The Son of Man, pushed boundaries to challenge perceptions of normalcy. Surrealism also extended to literature, film, and theatre, influencing creative fields worldwide. At its core, surrealism invites us to question the ordinary, uncover hidden truths, and embrace the limitless possibilities of the mind.